Go to the popcorn review. Look, check it out.
Sorry, we started too early.
No, that's how you do it. That's how you do it.
Can I zoom in?
Yeah.
Ethan? Oh wait, there's still a couple of kernels down there.
When you hear that, stop popping. That's what you eat.
Oh! There's a lot of popcorn because I think it's going to we added too much on corn.
No, that's not too much. You're supposed to fill it up, you know.
Yeah. Just in case we watch a movie. Well, we are watching a movie. Yeah, we should watch a movie.
When you hear stop popping, you put this top back.
Can I zoom in, Ethan?
The thing's about to run out. That's why.
They're right out of kernel.
Yeah.
Oh, I still see some kernels on there. Daddy, Ethan still sees some curls. Is that how you pronounce it? Everybody can eat this. Everyone can eat this?
Yeah.
More popping.
Yeah, I had it. Done.
Hey, can you tell the viewers? Can you tell the viewers?
That's it for all the popping.
Let's eat some.
Let's eat some. Just, you gotta flip it.
So the data's good. The data's real good.
Oh, there's still one popcorn down there.
Yeah, there's a few. There's a few kernels left.
Oh my God!
Nice.
Popcorn.
Try it. How's it?
Good.
Good.
Now you need to put more butter.
Oh, we gotta be careful. Mahai, you don't have to be mad about it.
Next time more.
Not that butter.
Uncle Juan, next time shall we put more?
Yes, a little bit more, okay?
A little bit more butter?
Yes.
Daddy,
Yo.
try it, Daddy.
They good.
But Daddy, it's not that buttery.
It's okay. More healthy, you know, less butter.
Next time we're gonna put more.
More butter. We need more butter.
Right, Ethan? No. Yeah. Yeah?
You like it?
Yeah, butter. Oh,
You saw it pop?
Right. Right, you know.
that's popcorn.
Fresh popcorn.
Wrong, but
Know what?
if you like popcorn, give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for watching.
Uncle Juan, we'll say thanks for watching in the end.
Oh, sorry.
Of the video.
No, I didn't know that.
Ethan, you're eating so much too fast.
Enjoy. I make more if you need it. Don't worry.
It's a lot. There's plenty.
Yeah, there's plenty of them. You want to try some more,
We
Daddy?
don't need hardly use any kettle.
Cardwood. And they grow this big.
100%.
I say 90%. I say 50. 50? What do you say, Daddy?
A what?
How do you rate
Rate
this
it?
popcorn from
10 out of 10.
From 10 to 100?
Oh,
I need more butter.
90.
90?
Yeah.
How do you rate it, Mahai? 95. 95? What? How do you rate it, Uncle Juan?
98.
98? 100%.
Almost 100%.
100. Actually, did you say 100%?
You're chasing the team around the perimeter. What that does is it takes.
It's done too fast. I'm not putting my hand. But wow, it's too fast.
Best popcorn is the best, right?
Uh-huh.
Best popcorn.
Mai mốt không có đi vô trong mua Việt Nam là mua nữa nha. Mát quá. Now we're done.
Hey, movie theater popcorn is the best.
Movie popcorn is the best.
Expensive.
Ethan. Cheers. Ethan, drink your milk.
No, I have to do my popcorn.
Okay.
I want to dip my head in this.
What?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Try.
Go ahead.
Try.
You take another shower.
He's just kidding.
Before
put
you
it-
do that, let me add some butter.
Extra butter.
More butter.
More butter.
Then you dip your head in there.
There.
Daddy, shall we pause the video because of this?
More butter.
Yeah. Right there.
Not a butter. I think we have to put
More
one
butter. A lot more butter.
If you know how many tablespoons we need, tell us in the comments.
I want this
Right?
Yeah.
quarters amount of
You like
corn.
it, huh? Okay.
Daddy, is that all?
I'm
Is that all? Daddy is watching popping the popcorn and eating it?
25.
Okay.
That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.
And subscribe.